How to fix iPhone 16e showing cannot connect to App Store error. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on general, and then scroll down in last and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on reset. In second, you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on reset network settings, and here enter your passcode to reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.